I am Maria Lorena Lehman, award-winning author of the book Adaptive Sensory Environments and founder of the Sensing Architecture Academy. In this micro lecture, we're going to explore how you can use light in your architectural designs and harness it to create next level poetics. So let's take a look at this diagram. As you can see in this diagram, which is a Venn diagram, we have two circles. In the first green circle is the scientific thinking. In the blue circle is the artistic thinking. So in other words, as an architectural designer, if you can learn and hone the way in which you see light from different dimensions, thinking about it both scientifically and artistically, you'll be able to reach this convergence point or overlap between scientific and artistic thinking, where you'll target and hone deeper meaning, and deep meaning yields deep experience, poetic experience for your building occupants. Now, to do this, to engage in scientific thinking about light, for example, you might ask questions about physiological impact on an occupant, for instance. How might this light impact their circadian rhythm? Might be an example of such a question. Now, for artistic thinking, you may ask, how can I use light's color, intensity, or focal point to help impact or influence the emotional experience of this environment? And you see, when the scientific and artistic thinking overlap, and you find that sweet spot where they do converge, you'll be able to create a design that exceeds the sum of its parts. In other words, it will reach poetic heights because your occupants will find that deeper meaning within their experience within your environment. So scientific thinking is more functional thinking that can be creative, while artistic thinking is more experiential or emotional thinking that can also be very analytical. So again, the two overlap, but be sure as an architectural designer to think about how you can converge and also create different perspectives that do converge when you're thinking about integrating light into your architectural designs. I think this will really help you to reach more poetic heights as you look through different lenses at light. And you can apply this to other architectural design tools, light, materiality, and so on. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next micro lecture.